Here's one for some summer fun. Drop top Camaro. It's a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS convertible. Arctic white. Flat black deck stripes. Clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. Two owner vehicle. Actual miles at just a little over 54,000. So we take a look at the front fascia, grille. Looks good up there. Of course, the 6.2 liter underneath the hood, that is paired up with the automatic transmission with tap shift. 8-speed automatic, I believe that one is. Another thing, this one will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Brembo brakes up front. 507-386-1726 is the number you can call. You can see paint shows well on this one. Not full of nicks, dings, scratches up and down the sides. I mean, granted, it's got a little over 54,000 on it. You might find an imperfection here or there, but overall this one does show nice. There's the beige with ebony interior. Leather bucket seats up front. Heated power, both sides on the front. Power top, black cloth. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. You come to the rear, you can see dual exhaust back here, rear parking sensors. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, that one that you can extend out possibly to 10 years. Remember, it'll come with the 3-month, 500-mile warranty. As we look down the driver's side from the rear to front, it's riding on the correct Camaro SS wheels for 13. And again, free of really any major nicks, dings, or scratches on the driver's side also. Take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, this will come with all the standard equipment, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the Chevy MyLink infotainment system, Boston Acoustics audio. Take a look at the condition of the seats. Think what you'd expect with a car this kind of miles on it. Nothing out of the ordinary. Good condition, of course. Steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Of course, the gauge cluster down in the center console. Let's start it up. Let's hear it run. Get the exact miles for you here too. Close that door. There they are. 54,766. Again, two-owner clean Carfax. Heads-up display. I don't know if you can see that or not with the driving lights on. Nice option for safety. There's that Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system. Heated seats. And again, automatic transmission with tap shift. Paired up with that 6.2 liter LS3. Slip around to the back. I haven't really noticed any crazy mods in this thing. Nice stock 13 Camaro. Slip up to the front. We'll check out this engine bay. I'll put the top up at the end of the video here and we'll wrap this up. Give me a second to get that hood popped. Take a look at the underside of the hood. You can tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather. Hood liner is nice and clean. There it is. V8 power, 6.2 liter, great power plant. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, all your modern amenities. I ran the top up too. Power top functions as it should. Black cloth top. Doesn't hardly look like it's been up, which I can understand why. You got a convertible, who wants the top up that much? No rips, tears, holes, rear glass window that has been tinted. I'm going to roll up these windows too. You'll be able to see it in the still pictures. Let's roll these up a second. You can look at the rest of the top again. No rips, tears, holes. Needed to keep your dryer out of the sun. It's going to serve the purpose just fine. And then I wanted to roll up the window so you can see it does have smoked glass in the side and rear, so know your local and state laws with the percentage of window tint that is legal or illegal. 2013 Chevrolet Camaro SS Convertible, 2-owner car, clean Carfax. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with it, may be extendable. Consult with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. Covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is a convertible. It is an automatic on the center console, or you can choose manual with paddle shifting. Really nice car, really nice feeling. It says 54,767 miles, but it feels newer than that. Unique color combo. It's kind of a beige and black, golden black inside. If I let go of the wheel, she stays nice and straight. Very smooth ride. No shakes or no wiggles. Our gauges are working well. The coolant is 1/3 of the gauge. Right now fuel is showing 1/4. The radio sounds great. Down below we have temperature gauge for the oil. Right about at 1/4 of the gauge. Oil pressure approximately 40. Battery is charging over 13 volts. Transmission temperature is about 1/4 of the gauge. This car handles really good, sticks to the road. Good acceleration. Very good condition Camaro. If you want a different looking interior, very nice looking convertible, check this one out. Black top, black racing stripes on a white paint job. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.